Hi guys, I have a small desk fan. Well, this is a fan with a diameter of 8 inches. This fan has a built-in battery and they're spinning. The fan spinning mode. Turn the wind upside down. On the front, it has 3 buttons. Turn on this rotary power mode. Wind direction rotation. The second key is an on-off key, which speeds up and down. The third key is the timer key. I can turn on the timer. It's off now. This fan has a brushless motor. The motor is inside. The impeller is multi-blade type. In the form of multiple blades, you can see there are 7 blades. So many wings. Many wings, it will make the wind flow. It's higher and the noise is lower. This fan is my version. It's the one with the capacity is 3600 mAh. The code is F33C. This one uses a Type-A port. Its maximum charging current is at 1 to W, 5V to A. I think 5 volts to A is okay. If you leave the wind at its lowest, you can use it all day to run out of battery. It's very power efficient because it's a brushless motor. Now I'm going to open inside raw. Let me show you with this fan. I opened it to see if it was still wide inside. I see that this model is 7200 mAh. I think there's room for more batteries. If there is room, I will add more batteries. Lots of space, although not used. I'll scale the battery to maximize its capacity. This is the way it's going up and down like this. Invert the wind by the axis below. I'll turn it on for you to see. The motor turns it down here, and then I'm going to turn it on. Strongest show you this. Generally speaking, I feel very comfortable. I probably use it with air conditioning. Second wind or Ba is a drama, not a 4. The wind is very cool. I will open now. Inside, let's show you the interior of this fan. This is the interior of this fan. Well, it's got a lot of snails. At first I thought there were only 3 in these 3 corners, but it's got 2 more snails under this stand. The battery is here. This is where the battery is. There's also an empty compartment here. Symmetrical to this side. You can put 2 more batteries here. I'm going to double this capacity, doubling its capacity from this 3600 milliamp hours up. Now I'm going to take a look at its component layout. Here's the wind island. It uses a stepper motor. I see it has a lot of wires. There's a bearing here. I think it's pretty sure. Metal bearings always. Here's a bearing to hold this shaft steady. And a cog it will. Add joining. Contact with the gear to be able to transmit the momentum. There's a USB Type-C circuit here. I can use a C-to-C cable to charge it. It's very convenient. There's a control circuit here. The charging circuit is all in here. I'll zoom in and show you. This is the circuit of this fan. This circuit consists of the following blocks. First of all, there's a charging IC, whose code is 4056, Child IC Charger 1A. There's a turbocharger up here. It means that if you use fan at low wind level, then it will. Don't turn on this pressure booster. It'll use the battery voltage to run the fan. From the second wind speed mode, it will boost to 5 volts. 3 wind speed, it will boost to about 6.2 volts. And the speed of 4 will boost to 8 volts. From there it will increase. Wind speed. Here's the ULN2003-1. To control the step motor. And on the top, there's the main control VI. The VI that controls it is this one. Perform the functions of the fan. Speed switch or is LED display. At the same time, it will control the fan speed. At the lowest wind speed, can be used for 12 hours. Next, I'll open this fan cage. You keep this cage spinning opposite the clock hand. I'm going to open this mask. This propeller. You can pick it up. Magnet on fan stretcher. Will inhale into this stator? Inhalation is very sure. This design will make it easy to clean. After cleaning the cage, I installed it. You too. This roll is very big. Its diameter up to 30 millimeters. Very big. It's very slippery. I can take it off for a while to clean it. Look for more grease here. That's the entire interior of the fan. Now I'm going to add 2 more batteries. I'll put 2 more batteries here for it. Maximum capacity always. It's a waste of time to remove it anyway. This battery, the default battery, is using cell 18650, 1800 mAh. To tablets are 3600 mAh. I'll get to more 18,650 batteries. All the batteries are connected in parallel to increase the capacity. I found these 2 batteries. Has 2000 mAh capacity. 2 units are for 1000 mAh. 4000 mAh plus 3600 mAh is a total of 7600 mAh. The degree process is quite simple. I just need 2 batteries in parallel. Use a piece of zinc welding to heads. Dockery's own welding station. I used it for a long time. Sometimes they use it. People can refer to it. Old version of this welding station. There are some problems. I don't think the new version will make that mistake. After welding is completed, it will be returned. After welding more battery. Press again cause. It will be like this. You just cut the power cord out like this. Connect red to red. Black wire with black. I have enough tools to do this. Keep it compact. I have finished grading the battery, and it is getting heavier. Now I'm going to screw it in. I just did. Review show you. Inside a fan. It's 8 inches in size. Battery usage. Compact to table like this. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will answer. I bought this for about $7. Hunting discount codes. Normally, it costs about 12 United States dollars. 12 United States dollars for a fan like this. Compact desktop. Wide size cool wind. Quiet. Multiple functions. That's pretty cool, guys. If you like, you can refer.